Hello, everyone, welcome back. Did you enter too many times wrong passcode so that your iPhone is unavailable? How to factory reset iPhone when locked? Here are 3 methods for you. First is to use PassFab iPhone Unlocker. You can download and install the tool from its official website. Here, connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Start on PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Read the disclaimer and click Next. Now, put your iPhone in recovery mode to be recognized. Quickly press volume up and volume down buttons. Hold power button until the screen shows Connect to iTunes logo. Download the firmware and click Start Remove. Wait for a few minutes. You can unlock your iPhone and set it up. The second method is iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer and put your iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes. There will pop up a window. Follow the instructions to restore your iPhone. The third method is to erase iPhone from iCloud. Sign into iCloud on your computer or phone. Choose Find My feature. Click All Devices. Select your locked iPhone. Click Erase iPhone. Confirm. Your iPhone will be erased automatically.